What's up, traders? In this very video, I'm going to be depositing 2,000 Naira in my trading account to trade Bitcoin. And the broker we are going to be using in this video is called Headway. With Headway, I'm able to convert my small capital to a bigger capital by converting it to a cent account. And in case you don't understand how this works, but I want to stick around to the end of this video as I'm going to be revealing to you how you can do this. And also ensure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notifications. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright traders, so once you log into your dashboard on Headway, so all you have to do is click on deposit. If you have not created an account yet, you can simply go to the description of this video to create an account, right? So right here, after that, you select the account you want to deposit. So as for me, I selected my MT5 account, right? Now after that, you click on local bank transfer, right? So then you input the amount of deposit you want to make. So right here, I made a deposit of 2,000 Naira. I've already made deposit already, so I'm just showing you how you can actually deposit on this broker. So right here, you can see if 2,000 Naira is equal to $1.28, right? And let's see, there are some amazing features on this platform also. As you can see right here, if you deposit $48.72, you get a 50% deposit, meaning if you deposit up to $50 and above, you're going to get a 50% deposit of your deposit, right? So but right now, I can still get a deposit. I can still get a deposit bonus of $0.38. So, and that was actually what I did right here. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just click on deposit and you'll be able to deposit it. So right after depositing this once into my trading account, then going back to my dashboard right here. So right there, as you can see, so I had some funds left in my trading account, so it's made a sum of $1.7, right? And this is actually my cent account. So what a cent account means is that if you are depositing maybe $10 into your account, by the time you convert it to a cent account, it will be displaying $1,000. If you deposit $1 into your trading account, it will be showing as $100, right? If you deposit $2 in your trading account, it will be showing as $200. That's in cents, right? All you have to do is multiply it by 100. So if you deposit $30, multiply by 100, it will be converted to 300 cents, and you can be able to trade any currency pair as if you are trading with a $300 balance, right? So that's what I actually did. So all you have to do is just come to this platform and create a cent account and choose a leverage. So the leverage I'm using is 1 to 2,000 leverage, right? So after that, so let me actually show you guys the transaction history right here. Okay, I'm actually looking for where to check the transaction history. Okay, so this is transaction history right here. So as you guys can see, this is actually the deposit right here. So and what's today's date? Today's date is actually August 6th. So as you guys can see, I'm actually recording this video on August 6th, right? So I deposited. I've done previous deposit and withdrawals on this platform, as you guys can see. So I hope you guys can see right now. So this broker is actually legit. So right now, all you have to do is create a cent account on this platform, and once you deposit your funds and you open your MT5 account and you log in, it is going to display it as a cent account, meaning if you deposit $1 into your account, it will be displayed as $100 in cents. You can be able to trade any currency pair because you are trading as if you have $100 in your account, right? So let me actually open my MT5 account now. As you can see, I have $1.7 right now to be showing as $170, and with the deposit bonus I have, it's going to be about a total of $200. So in that way, I'll be able to open a trade on Bitcoin. I hope you guys can understand right now. So let me actually open my MT5 account for you guys to see. So I'm actually seeing a potential buy on Bitcoin. So I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, this is actually the account. As you can see, $170, which is my balance, and you can see my equity, which is about $200. So that's just basically it. As you can see, it's a real account. Headway reel, right? So all I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to open my trading view right now so that you guys can be able to see how I'm going to analyze and trade Bitcoin. So let's actually go to my trading view. So I'm actually using my phone to record and analyze right now, and I'm currently looking for a buy on Bitcoin USD, right? So this is actually where I'm looking to buy Bitcoin. So let me what's the reason for this trade? Right from the daily time frame, let me actually change this thing to the landscape. So as you guys can see, so right on Bitcoin, we're on the daily time frame, we are bullish, right? And price has reacted to a breaker block right here. I hope you guys can see. So what we should be expecting is a buy opportunity. So all I did is switch to the 2 hours time frame, and I can see a market structure shift right from the 2 hours time frame. Price swept liquidity right here. Let me show you guys. Price swept liquidity. That was a liquidity sweep and a market structure shift right about this point. Price shifted structure, right, and came to this other block. I hope you guys can see. I have a bullish order block right here. So right now price, I missed this buy right here, right? So now I'm looking to find another, so waiting for another market structure shift on 30 minutes time frame right here. So price shifted structure again, and I can regard this as a break of structure to the upside. So right now I'm interested in buying Bitcoin. So this trade is about 1 to 4 risks to the watch. So where I'm targeting as my take profit is another resistance level with another breaker block on the 2 hours time frame. Let me show you guys. So I hope you guys can see around this particular spot. Around this spot is a breaker. There's a breaker block right here. So that's where I'm basically placing my take profits. So and it's kind of looking as if it's missing entry. But I'll basically set my limit order right now. So let me double click. You guys can see how I'm going to place this trade right now. All I'm going to do is copy the entry price, right? All I'm going to do is copy the entry price, then copy the profits. That's the take profit, right? Now I'm going to do is copy the take profit. So I've copied the take profit, then the stop loss. Copy, right? So I'm going to go to my trading view, to my MT5 right now and place a buy limit order on Bitcoin. So let's go to my MT5 right now. So I'm going to be risking about $50 on this trade. That's about $0.5, right? I'm just looking to flip these accounts. So once I get another entry, so on Bitcoin right here, this is it. So and one important thing, if you are trading Bitcoin on Headway, you have to make sure you use this symbol, only Bitcoin. Don't go and click Bitcoin USD. That one is having a lot of spread, but this particular Bitcoin is not having spread. So right now, let me just use 0.1 lot size, right? I've calculated my risk previously. So 0.1 shouldn't exit $50 to $60. But let's just see. So buy limit order, right? Then my entry price. My entry price right here. My take profit and my stop loss. So this is actually my stop loss and this is my take profit right here. Place. I hope you guys can see right now. So let's actually see how much are we risking. Okay, we are risking about $72. It's okay. We are risking about that's $0.72 in cents. I hope you guys can see right now how you can be able to trade with just a small capital with a cent account. That's the power of a sent account. So if this trade triggers right now, I'm going to be risking $72 to make $289. So I'll update you guys if trade is able to trigger in profit. And that's basically how you can be able to trade Bitcoin with just 2,000 Naira and be able to leverage with a sent account. I'll be right back. So the trade actually triggered the next day, right? So this is actually the trade that triggered, but it missed entry by 1 pip, and that's because the spread of my broker, which is Headway, is very tight, and which is a good thing. So I had to enter at current market price, right? So let me show you guys, and I had to reduce my risk to about $50 using 0.05 lot size, and the trade instantly went in profit since there is no spread. Let me show you the spread on Bitcoin. Can you guys see? Just 1 pip. It was from 20, but immediately I clicked on buy, it went straight in profit. That's to tell you that there's no spread on Bitcoin while trading with Headway. So and this actually, let me show you guys clearly. So as you guys can see, this is my stop loss, which is $50. My take profit, that's $130. That's like I'm risking $0.5. This is actually in cents, so I'm risking $0.5 to make $1.30. So with this, I'm able to open a trade on Bitcoin with just a 2,000 Naira deposit. So I think that'll be all for this video. I actually dropped this signal on my Telegram channel, so if you want to see the result of this trade, you can join my Telegram channel, right? So I'll leave the link to the channel on my description and the link to the broker. So make sure you register and start trading with Headway. There's no excuse for you not to start trading with just a little capital, right? So this is actually the signal right here, and that's triggered. That's actually triggered. So let me update them. Bitcoin triggered. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.